House for sale. This house was for sale. Dad liked the house. Mom liked it too. Biff and Chip looked at the house. Everyone liked it. Kipper pulled the wallpaper. They went into a room. Everyone liked this room. Kipper looked up the chimney. Biff wanted this bedroom. It was a big room. Kipper jumped on the bed. Chip wanted this bedroom. It was a big room. Kipper sat on a chair. They went down the garden. They looked at the tree house. Kipper climbed the tree. Biff and Chip climbed the tree. They went in the tree house. Kipper pulled a can down. Everyone liked the house. Floppy liked it too.